Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be quickly showing you how to install V25 mods. As of currently at the filming and time of this video, they are not currently accessible yet on the V26 version of MoSim currently, like to import mods and everything. That's being made in progress. So for now, we're just going to run down a tutorial on how to do the V25 modding. So quickly, I'm at the MoSim website here. I'm going to go to modding, and I'm going to select any one of these mods I want. Let's say I want the Canadian mod pack 2056 here. So it's got to download at the top here. And we are going to, first off, before we extract this and unzip it from the zip file, we are going to copy this. So in this case, I'm on a Windows here. So we're just going to copy this text right here, or this command line right here. And there's tutorials on how to do Mac here, and there's Linux too, and there's also a second version of Linux called Flatpak here. But for now, we're going to be using Windows, and we're going to click our Windows tab here, and we're going to select Run here. We're going to type Run, and you see I already have the command here, but I'm going to once again kind of just get rid of it and then paste what I had just copied here. So we're going to click OK. You see I already have a bunch of mods here. And now we're going to drag this over to the side here, and we are going to extract, or I guess open. You can see here that this Canadian mod pack shows up here, so it's got all the hash files and bundles and stuff like that. So we're going to go back here, take this file, so we're going to get our mods folder back here. We're going to drag this into, or copy it into the mods folder. You can see it's right there. Very nice, got all the stuff still in it. That would be the file adding and everything here, so you can quickly close out these two tabs here. I'm going to go into Steam now, and for the modding section, so we're going to go into Properties, we're going to go to MoSimulator here. We're going to go into Properties, we're going to go over to Updates here, or no, sorry, Game Versions and Beta here. So we're going to go to Game Versions and Beta, so once again, it's the Properties tab, and then the Game Versions and Beta here. You can see there's two versions here. The default public version right here is currently on V26, so that would be the 2026 MoSim, along with the dev robots in with the V25 as well. So, but for now we're going to be focusing. We're going to click on V25 modding here. This is going to start installing at the bottom. You can see at the bottom here, it's updating / installing the V25 modding here. You can see it's installed there, and you can see that the title of the version here has changed from the default public version, or the kind of regular version, V26, to the V25 modding folder for now. So we're going to quickly test this out, see if our Canadian mod pack worked here by pressing play. We're going to wait for MoSim to load here, sorry. I work off of a toaster called a gaming laptop, so it's going to take a bit for this to load. It also doesn't help that there's couple more mods here too. That's going to be it. So here we go. It's going to be loading here with the load screen here. Now you're going to see about like 24 maybe, or not 24. Yeah, 21, close enough. 21 mods load here, so just give it a second. I'll probably speed this part up. There we go. MoSim has loaded here in version 25.3.1, so which is the modding one. And let's take a look if our Canadian mod pack has loaded in here. As you can see, it's right there. Click on it, and there you go. We have OP in the game now. This follows the same thing for every other mod, so I just did Canadian mod for the funsies and also OP. Works everything here. Everything works here. I can drive around, explore, and stuff like that. It's awesome. And yeah, so that was a quick tutorial on how to install V25 mods as of July 7th here, 2026, until the devs update it. But until then, this is how you install mods for MoSim. Thank you for watching, and happy playing V25 mods. See you guys.